Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot and create workflows for lead nurturing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the HubSpot login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click the login button to access your HubSpot account. Once logged in, locate the main dashboard. On the dashboard, find the Automation tab on the top navigation menu. Hover over the Automation tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Workflows from the drop-down options. This will take you to the Workflows overview page. To create a new workflow, click on the Create Workflow button. You will be presented with various workflow types. Choose the workflow type that best suits your lead nurturing needs. For this guide, we will select Start from Scratch. A new window will open prompting you to name your workflow. Enter a descriptive name for your workflow. Next, select Setup Triggers to define who will enter the workflow. You can choose to base your triggers on contact properties, form submissions, or other criteria. After setting the triggers, click Save to confirm. Now, you'll be taken to the workflow editor. In the editor, click on the plus sign to add your first action. You will see a list of action options. For lead nurturing, consider selecting Send Email. Choose the email you want to send from your existing templates or create a new one. Once selected, configure the email settings as needed. After configuring the email, click Save to proceed. You can add more actions by clicking the plus sign again. Consider including actions like Assign to Owner or Notify Team for better tracking. Continue adding actions as required to complete your lead nurturing strategy. When you have added all desired actions, review the workflow steps on the right. Make any necessary adjustments to the timing or conditions of each step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.